Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use circular pattern is discussed here. Guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 54 and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today discuss here circular pattern. Okay, this is a circular pattern and at first open a CATIA software and then use and this is a discuss here circular pattern. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface and at first all 3D command is not active. At first drawing a 3D model and then all 3D command is active. Okay, at first this drawing a 2D drawing and at first draw a circle and then use a drawing a circle and then exit. Okay, this is a pad is thickness is 30. Okay, and this face is select here and then sketch and draw a any. Okay, draw a any. Okay, this is a draw a any. Okay, this elongated hole and this is a this body is a drawing here. Okay, exit and extrude and then extrude is a 20. Okay, and and this body is a this 3D body is ready and then use a circular pattern is used. Okay, first is axis reference. Circular pattern definition is pop-up and all is a first is axial reference and second is crown definition. Okay, first is use a axial reference, then use a this current solid is click here and this part is click and then direction is a this face and you can see here this is a preview is showing here and then use a increase the instance 3rd 4th 5th 6th 7th 8th. Okay, circular shape is all angle is 36° all circular angle and then one angular spacing is 45° and then all is 8 spacing. Okay, 45° and multiply 8 then is 36° total angle. Okay, 8 instance you can see here. Okay, and this is a preview is showing here and this is a okay, and this click here and then second crown is discussed here. This is a circle and then use a increase the circle is okay, this is a increase and this is a 4. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is discussed here and then click here and this is a crown is spacing circular spacing is 20 and increase the okay, this is a increase and okay, preview is showing here and then okay, this is a correct. Okay, and then material select and then use a material material is a, and okay, this material is a correct. This is a okay, and also material is select here. Okay, this material is also correct, and this is a stone. Stone is a okay, and material is select here, and this material is okay, and this is material. This material is also discussed here. Okay, and the stone is this material is select here. Okay, this is a correct, and undo. Okay, and this material is also select here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this material is a, this is a correct. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, this material is, and also this. Okay, this is okay, then select this material is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is also correct, also is nice. Okay, okay, this is a very good, and use a, and this back side face is discussed. The click here back side face, and this is a correct. Okay, all is correct, back side face, and this is a correct. Okay, 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 guys, circular pattern is discussed here. Next lecture coming soon, and today circular pattern is discussed here. I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.